Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. So Crawlomatic was updated, so this week was a series of updates to all my plugins and especially to Crawlomatic, Newsomatic and Echo RSS. If you watch the previous videos from this week, you will know this. So Crawlomatic today just got an update and it will be able to use also SpinnerChief. So this is a word spinner, and to enable it you should go to the plugin's main settings after you update the Crawlomatic plugin to the latest version and select the spin text using word synonym settings field and set it to SpinnerChief. So this is the new settings that we got, and I wanted to add this new spinner because it supports also other languages. So no other spinner supports other languages than English besides of SpinnerChief that I know of so far. And because of this, I wanted to add also this spinner in Crawlomatic. So after you select SpinnerChief, you should enter your username and the password here in this field. And afterwards, you can set the language which you wish to spin. You will have many languages. You will be able to select from Finnish, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Polish, even Portuguese, Romanian, Turkish, Spanish, Vietnamese, and even more. So select the language, save settings from below, and you will be able to create new rules in the web crawl to posts, and the imported content will be automatically spun using SpinnerChief text rewriter. So yeah, go ahead guys, give this new feature a spin because the foreign language spinning besides of English feature is really cool to have, and you should go ahead and check it. I will link in this video description to Crawlomatic if you haven't heard of it, and also to SpinnerChief if you want to sign up for it. So yeah, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.